Ever hear someone say, "You can catch up on conference talks online anyway"? That idea breaks down fast when your team faces the same operational headaches, misses the right local demo, or walks away from an event with nothing but a stack of business cards. Michael Pfaff, Director of Operations at Network Data Security Experts Inc., puts it clearly. The real breakthroughs happen when you're in the room, asking direct questions and getting hands-on with new tech before your competition does. Charlotte tech conferences matter because they turn ideas into practical business value. You meet local IT leaders, spot regional tech trends early, test solutions in real time, and connect with talent and partners who understand Charlotte's pace and regulatory needs. But showing up is not enough. To get real value, define your goals before you arrive. Choose sessions that match your toughest operational problems. Spend time in smaller breakout sessions, not just keynotes. Book meetings in advance, explore local startup showcases, then follow up within 48 hours and share what you learned with your team. Charlotte cybersecurity conferences add another layer of value. They focus on local breach scenarios, practical protection strategies, managed cybersecurity, MDR, compliance tools, risk assessment, and incident response. The goal is simple: leave with tools and plans you can actually use. The right conference can shift your year, but turning those insights into results takes follow-through. NDSE helps build a managed IT roadmap that fits your team's daily reality, with transparent support and a flat monthly rate. Read the full article to plan your next move with confidence and add this to your Spotify playlist.